The DWI is a particularly frightening crime. Unquestionably, one of the most frightening experiences that any person can go through. And certainly an experience which could lead to dire consequences for the average person who is using their automobile on a daily basis for their job, to take their children to school, for whatever they need to do, go to the grocery store. And now all of a sudden there's two very important things that are going to happen on their DWI case. First of all, there will be an administrative action by the Department of Revenue to decide whether or not your driver's license is going to be taken away from you and for how long. At the same time, a criminal case is going to be filed against you, charging you with a misdemeanor that could have you sitting in jail for up to a year. If this is not your first DWI, there's additional things that we need to consider. We need to look very carefully at the evidence against you and begin immediately performing our own investigation to see whether or not important errors were made by police officers in this case, because you might be facing a felony conviction and a loss of license for an extended period of time. A trial in your case may be the only outlet to protect you from these dire consequences. So it's very important that you give us a call, because we have the experience to be able to help you and protect you against these consequences. I prosecuted DWIs for a number of years, so I understand exactly what type of mistakes are typically made by police officers when they're out on the field performing field sobriety tests or working with breathalyzers. We know the kinds of things to look for when we're preparing to break down the prosecuting attorney's case at trial. Time is absolutely of the essence. You need to give me a call as quickly as possible. If you're still at the police station and trying to make a decision about whether or not to blow in that breathalyzer, give me a call. If you've already done that and you're sitting at home wondering what should I do next, give me a call. There's very important things that I need to do on your behalf, and there are time limits to get those things done so that I can preserve your driving privilege. Call us anytime, 24 hours a day, at 314-266-7821 or toll free at 888-848-3565.